Guys, if you're struggling with building a list for KDP, I'm going to show you how I use Artistly Niche Finder to build a KDP book idea list in one setting. If you're interested, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here we are in the niche finder, and what we are going to do is click on the evergreen cash cow, and I'm going to show you how to create a list of interesting topics that you might want to keep track of or that you might want to try down the line. Here we go, just right off the bat. Super simple Mediterranean diet cookbook for seniors. Eat healthy, support longevity, and control weight. Your complete science backed guide with easy, delicious recipes anyone can make. Now, this is really specific. One is Mediterranean diet, two is for seniors, okay? And they say backed by science. Oh, don't know how true that is, but anyway, you have specific niches right there. A Mediterranean diet is not just a cookbook for Mediterranean diets, it's a cookbook for Mediterranean diets for seniors, okay? Now, they are selling 10,000 copies a month. That's crazy. And they're estimated at making $183,976 a month, and they charge them $17. Now, again, like I said, this is the estimated monthly revenue. This is not what they're going to be taking home because, of course, Amazon has to take their part. Okay, so now this is how you need to start building. Here's another one: the 5 ingredients Mediterranean diet for beginners. Healthy and delicious dinners made simple for a balanced lifestyle. Elevate your everyday cooking with minimal ingredients. Now, what is so catchy about this? This book is making $11,000 a month, 554 estimated sales monthly, and they're charging $19. What is great about this? It's a Pacific type of cookbook, which is Mediterranean diet. It's for beginners. Here's the catch: 5 ingredients. That's the kicker. That is a niche. That's what's making it stand out. Now, here's how you start building your list. Let's say, let's click on it here. Give me one moment, excuse me. Okay, super simple Mediterranean diets. Okay, so what we're going to do, and I opened this up, guys, so I can copy Mediterranean because I know I can't spell that. Anyway, we're going to click here, and I've already started building me a list, and we're going to create a folder. And this folder is going to be Mediterranean cookbooks. Okay, now what you're going to do is create, go back, click it. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I got a little choked. Okay, and we are also going to save the other one, and we're going to add that one to the folder. Now let's keep doing our research here. Here's one here. This is the crossword, easy medium crossword puzzle books for adults and seniors. 100 big fonts. They are making $19,000 a month from this book. They are selling over 1,700 copies a month at $10.99. These books are extremely easy to create, especially in Artistly. Artistly has a puzzle book section that you can create puzzles in Artistly. Like I said, guys, Artistly is a great value at a one-time payment, and you never have to pay again, and you get all the upgrades. And here's a perfect example of the upgrades that you'll get when you buy the premium copy. Okay, this is one of the upgrades. I didn't have to pay anything extra for it. It's just a part of
Okay, so like I said, wrong. I clicked the wrong one, so okay? My apologies.
So right now, what I'm going to do is click on crossword puzzles. So we are going to do Now, I
You can
already have
choose any
activity books for
page
adults
you would like
and
within the
activity
story
books
for your
for
back
kids.
page.
Now, the reason why I don't
And
want
we're
to
going to
add it to
generate.
this is because I find that the activity
Now
books
we have come
has a
to
variety of things in it. It's not just
the
one
ending,
particular
so we're going to see
type of book. So
how
I am going
everything
to
came
create a
out,
new folder
okay?
for this one, and we're going to name this crossword puzzles
I'm going to show you the one from last week,
for adults.
the prank book that we did. I didn't get a chance to let you guys go over it or see it in its finished state. But I also want to tell you with KDP, when you download it, it will take 10 to 20 minutes for it to download. And you have to, I found mine in my documents section, not in my download section. And when you get it, it will download to a PDF. That PDF you should be able to upload directly to Amazon KDP, and according to Artistly, it should already be formatted for KDP. Now let's take a quick listen to the book, and I hope that I don't think that I don't know if you can hear it. You probably can't.
Artistly is constantly upgrading. They're constantly adding
Okay, so here's
okay?
the storybook in its completed state.
Really
and after I went over it, I realized that I didn't like it. I should have went over it to read it and edit it. I felt that it had too many words for the page, and the words on the page didn't match up to the illustration, which to me kind of threw the entire storybook off. My advice to you is to please read over the story like I did with the one I just recently created. When you upload this to KDP, if this is going to be your side hustle, you want to put out the best product possible. So make sure that you are reading these and editing as much as possible. And if you have to go in and change the illustrations, please do so. Change the illustrations if you can, just so that you can have a better product in the end, okay? So, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for all the comments that I received. And we're going to get more into the storybook and other ideas on how you can use the storybook to make money. But until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.
Now, there is a smaller package for $49. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't recommend it. If you just want to try it out for that price, you can spend the $49, but if you decide you want to get all access to all the other tools, you're going to have to pay the big price, and you've already spent $49, okay? Now, they do have a coupon code right now for 10% off, and it says that the deal ends soon. I am an affiliate of Artistly, so I don't know when they're going to end that deal. But anyway, this is the puzzle books that you can make with Artistly in the background. Isn't that crazy? Look at how beautiful that is. There's your coloring books. These are your art books. This is what you can create with Artistly. Here's the cookbooks here. Or a sourdough handbook, which I think is really cool. It's like if you wanted to tell people like all the kind of tools or things you need to keep on hand to have like wanting to cook breads and things like that. I think that would be a great cookbook. So this is just a glimpse of what you get. Okay. Now, wait, they say get 15% off. New Year sale. Use coupon 2026 on checkout. So, and those two coupons might go hand in hand. You might be able to use both. I'm not sure. So, but if you can't use the 15% off one works, I would say use that one. I'm trying to get to the different price pages. Here we go. Get instant access, and you go into the back, and you will see this is the one that I have, 147. this is the one for $49. You get no commercial. You get commercial license, which means that anything you produce in Artistly is yours. You can sell it and do as you please with it. HD image download, free product, community and personal design feeds, smart AI prompt enhancer, AI redesigner, upscaler, smart image expander, keyword to prompt builder. You get a lot, but you are going to be very limited, because when you buy the premium, I get everything that's over here plus the premium deals. You get the pet portraits, the t-shirts, the AI book covers, the inhuman painting, AI music to storybook, your face image, the AI product mock-up creator, consistent characters. Totally different, guys. Totally different, okay? So, guys, thank you so much for stopping by today. If you are looking to get Artistly, like I said, the link will be in the description box. Sometimes I do connect it in the comment section. If you ask for Artistly, just type in Artistly and I will give you the link in the comment section. That is absolutely no problem. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next video.